Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So should be a pretty quick one today. We're just gonna go ahead and throw the PTP turbo blanket on. This is stock turbo on 2019 WRX STI. I have already removed the stock heat shield before when we did our downpipe. So I did put a Grim Speed heat shield on there, so we will take that off. So that may be a little bit different for you, depending on if you still have your stock heat shield on and stock downpipe. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this turbo blanket on real quick. All right, so first thing I'll point out, don't pay attention to my AOS lines being disconnected. These are not related to this install at all. I am working on deleting the white PCV diagnostic connectors, and I am waiting for an Amazon delivery to wrap that up. So while we wait for that, we thought we might as well go ahead and get the turbo blanket install done. So first step, remove your top mount. Now we need to remove our Grim Speed heat shield. I think that's okay. I'm not going to bother taking it all the way out. We should be able to get the blanket on with this kind of situation, hopefully. Take the wire they supply, wrap it around one, and then do a figure 8, and then use that wire to pull it down and around. So let's give it a shot. That's what it looks like for me. Alright, so here's a shot of how I had to run the cable, the wire, all the way down. I had to go all the way down there. Boy, that's hard to see. Not around the hot side of the turbo itself, but I believe the up pipe bracket, or there's a bracket down there. Now, we can try. Oh my god, of course I did. Now we can try and actually position the turbo blanket I was able to pull it down pretty far. It's kind of where we're at right now. I think that is about where it needs to be pulled over. The cutout lines up pretty well for the wastegate actuator arm. Now the problem is trying to keep the turbo blanket pulled tight while you do a figure 8 on the other side of the rivets. So I haven't figured out a trick for that yet. There's nothing you guys can really see while we try and do this. So I'm gonna keep at it, and we'll get an update once I get it done. All right guys, pretty happy with this. So we got it around on this side. Super hard to tell. So we got some figure 8s, maybe this. Yeah, that's a little bit better. We got a couple figure 8s, and then we actually ran the wire back down under the turbo, back up on this side, and we got a couple wraps around that far right rivet, and blanket's on there pretty tight. So pretty happy with that. I'm gonna see if I can't get 1 or 2 more rotations around that wire, or the wire around the rivet, and then we'll cut the wire and should be done. All right, so that is that. Got a couple more rotations around. I just ran the last bit of the wire up behind the bracket and then looped it right here, right there along the top of the bracket. It might interfere with the heat shield, so we'll see if I leave it on there or not. But honestly, I'm quite happy with that. It's on there pretty tight. It's on there. Everything seems to be good. So I am not going to put the top mount back on yet. I did actually notice, if you look at my PCB line, the intercooler is rubbing on it quite aggressively, and I don't think we've rubbed through yet, but that is a little questionable. Man, it should probably go back behind there. Alright, now for the fun one. All right, so I think we're going to cut it for this one. Do a short video, easy install for you guys. Kind of, I guess, a change of pace. If you, man, I really need to fix the fucking lighting in here one of these days. Change of pace for you guys. change of pace for me too. Nice to not have a complete mess of an install for once. So I still need to finish deleting the PCV diagnostic connectors. I'm waiting for Amazon to show up. We'll do another video on that, and probably I'll bundle the iWire harness in that, since those are kind of unrelated small things. But with that, I think that is all I have for you on this simple PTP turbo blanket install. If you have any questions, drop a comment. You know the deal. If I helped you in any way, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, if you are not subscribed, subscribe now, please. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you want to be, do the thing. I'd appreciate it. With that, that is all I have for you. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.